me get my hat on right. Make sure you can see the Harley Davidson skull in my hat, right? Like you care. You don't care. That's all right. I get it. It's fine. I only care because I didn't really want to comb my hair today. So I'm just being lazy. Hey, Patrick Kelley. I'm a distinguished architect here at Zoom. I'm not a spokesman for Zoom, just so you know. I just like to talk about cool technology, and a lot of times that has to deal with Zoom. And in fact, I was talking about Zoom earlier. I know it was shocking with a customer. And where were they at? Singapore, I believe they were. And I think it's 12 hours ahead. So, oh man, was it 12 p.m.? Anyway, 10 p.m. I don't know. I'm not a world clock. I'm not a world clockologist. I don't know these things. Anyway, we were talking about Zoom chat and following and Zoom chat and how to follow channels and chat messages. And I just hit the desk and it started shaking the whole thing. And I agreed with them. They said, hey, you know what? We belong to hundreds of different channels. And we're involved and we contribute throughout the day. We contribute to a whole bunch of channels. And sometimes I would like to follow up and see if anybody answered my chat or maybe responded to a question I had in a channel. And if I don't remember where that channel is at, I don't know where to go back to see where maybe there's somebody that responded to something I said. And I'm like, you don't have to remember where it's at. I'm old. I don't remember most of the stuff I do throughout the day, but I set reminders for everything. And you actually have the ability to follow a message inside of Zoom chat. So what that allows you to do is obviously contribute to a channel. Maybe you're having your colleagues and coworkers are actually working on a project, or there might be some other channel that you're contributing to, responding to a message, but you'd like to see the follow-up of that message, and you'd like to see when somebody actually responds to your message. You can actually follow messages inside of Zoom chat. Did you know this? Let's watch. Let's walk through it. I have a channel. It's just called SharePoint Integration Channel. If you didn't know, this is a side tangent here. Zoom chat can integrate with Microsoft SharePoint. So all your files that go into Zoom chat actually go to Microsoft SharePoint site as opposed to maybe Zoom Cloud. It can also go to Box as well. We have a whole bunch of integrations. In this instance, I just created a golf ball, right? And you can see that, actually, look at that. It's right. You can see it's right in SharePoint. Boom, there it is. There's my golf ball. I'm going to open it up. So I created this this golf ball slide deck, and then posted into the channel. And then let's go ahead and then I responded with a couple of messages from me. Now, I'm logged in on the left side with my Zoomineer account, my Patrick Kelley account, my test account, right quick. On the right side, I'm logged into with another account. I'm the admin. And the admin is actually, he actually wants to watch this. Oh, so he's like, hey, super cool. Didn't know Zoom did SharePoint integration. All right, cool. Now he's like, hey, I'd love to follow up and see whoever responds to what I just said. I had a little itch in my eye. Now, how can he do that? How can the admin follow this thread now? Look at this. I right-clicked. Pretend you didn't see that. I right-clicked this thread. I literally can right-click right here inside the thread. And look what is right here. Follow message. So I'm going to follow this message. Pretend I have a workflow. I follow this message, and then Patrick goes off. The admin goes off. He goes to talk to Amy. Hi, Amy. And he's going throughout his day, and he's going to say hi to Patrick and Fabrication. He's going to say, hey, bud. Right? He's just going on through with his day. He doesn't know when new messages are going to that SharePoint integration channel. So let's create one. And I want you to watch down here. I want you to watch what happens in the lower right-hand corner of my admin's Zoom client when I put a message over there. So watch this. He's following that thread, right? You got it? Patrick's going to go start writing another message. Yeah. It's super cool. Are you watching? Boom. Right there. It says, a toast pops up telling Patrick that somebody was responded to a thread that he's following. A toast pops up letting him know there's a new message in there. And now, look at that. There's a red alert right here letting MOD admin know that there's a new message inside of that channel that he's a part of and follows. Right there it is. So now he can write from just a toast and a notification way. He can get alerted immediately when somebody responds to one of the messages and threads that he's following in a channel. So you no longer have to remember what channel you contributed to and want to follow up. It literally does it for you. So hope that was helpful. Follow message inside of Zoom chat.